1 minute is all it took for me to transform an hour-long tutorial into a library of ready-to-post clips. Editing used to be a chore reserved for pros with endless hours to spend in complex software suites. But thanks to smarter AI tools, the process is now faster, cheaper, and honestly, a lot more fun. Today, I'm showing you exactly how I use Vizard to grab viral moments from long videos and schedule them across my social channels. You can automatically extract the best parts, stitch in captions, and let AI handle the heavy lifting of scheduling. If you want to grow on socials without hiring an expensive editor, this is the exact workflow I use every single day. Let's start with a long-form example, like a 45-minute creator interview packed with gems. Normally, I would spend hours scrubbing through the footage, hunting for clips, and manually resizing them for different platforms. With Vizard, the first step is simple because you just upload the full video file. Vizard scans the file and within seconds highlights the best candidate clips that are likely to perform well. The AI isn't picking randomly, it actually understands pacing, audio peaks, and that special spark that makes content shareable. You can let the AI generate a batch automatically, or you can tweak the settings to match your specific style. I usually ask for 15 to 45-second clips that prioritize those high-energy moments. The results are surprisingly human, and sometimes it even catches moments I completely missed. Once the clips are ready, Vizard gives you great options for styling and layout. You can pick caption styles, turn on auto subtitles, and choose aspect ratios like 9:16 for TikTok. The face tracking and smart cropping tools are lifesavers, keeping the subject perfectly in frame. You can also add your own branding, like a custom logo or a quick overlay call to action. The part that saves me the most time is the thumbnail and hook suggestions provided by the AI. It is like having a creative assistant who already knows exactly what gets clicks and engagement. Once I adjust the color grading preset, I am basically finished with the creative work. Most people think editing is the hardest part, until they realize posting consistently is the real-time sync. That is where Vizard's auto schedule and content calendar features become a total game changer. You just tell it your posting frequency and it handles the rest based on optimal times for your audience. Want to post the same clip with different formatting across platforms? Set it once and let the AI handle the rest. The content calendar is incredibly useful for staying organized across a busy week. It prevents double posting and lets you batch your edits without any manual headache. Let me walk you through a specific example, like a 30-minute tech deep dive I recorded. Vizard generated 12 clips for me, complete with subtitles and really punchy, suggested hooks. I picked the top 4, polished the thumbnails, and scheduled them all in under 20 minutes. Example 2 was a cooking live stream where the AI caught all the spontaneous funny banter. It even suggested quick text overlays for recipe highlights, turning hours of work into a 30-minute task. You might wonder if other tools do this, but many lack the scheduling or post-optimization I need. Some VFX tools are great for special effects, but they rarely help with the social media side of things. VFX tools don't pick viral moments, they don't auto-caption, and they certainly don't schedule posts for you. If your goal is to turn long videos into consistent short-form content, you need an all-in-one pipeline. That is exactly where Vizard shines, by bundling the most painful steps into one simple workflow. One thing I really love is that Vizard respects creator control, so you can always tweak the details. It is fast, but it is not mindless, because you maintain creative judgment where it matters most. Vizard's templates let you lock in fonts and colors so every clip feels cohesive and branded. That visual identity is a massive part of why viewers start recognizing your channel. The included analytics provide engagement insights, helping you see which hooks and lengths perform best. I use that feedback to refine my next batch of edits and keep my audience hooked. Is Vizard perfect? No tool is, and sometimes I still do fine-tuning for super cinematic pieces. But for 90% of social edits, it is a massive multiplier on my time and energy. If you are a creator trying to scale without hiring a full-time editor, this changes the whole equation. I used to dread the post-production week, but now I spend that time planning new ideas. The bottom line is that the whole system frees you to create more and actually engage with your audience. Would I use other tools for heavy VFX? Absolutely, but for consistent short-form content at scale, Vizard is my go-to. If you want, I can walk you through my exact template workflow in a follow-up video. Drop a comment below, and I will make that step-by-step tutorial next. Until then, keep creating, keep experimenting, and let the tools handle the boring parts.